1 tablespoon could be too much for a toddler. Here's why. Children react differently to medicines. Some cough syrups contain ingredients that can suppress breathing or cause dangerous side effects if dosed wrong. Never give adult formulas or mixed meds. Always check the label and call your pediatrician for the right dose. If breathing is slow or the child is unresponsive, get emergency help immediately. Safer, consult a doctor, use age-appropriate remedies, and keep meds locked up.